Hello world. In this video I just want to talk about the state of the channel for 2019, and I want to talk about what my plans are for this year for the channel. And I know I've been kind of slow with making videos, and of course any YouTube channel you ever go to, when you talk about you're slow making videos, of course the plan is making more videos, and that's what I plan on doing. You might not believe me until it start happening, but I am going to try to put more videos up and try to do more videos in my spare time. So hopefully I can make that come true, and you can kind of see it through my work, and hopefully you start seeing it this week. The plan is maybe 4 or 5 videos per week, but we'll see. I'm gonna put the hours in. I'm gonna try my best to make sure I get to that. And I also want to mention some of the tutorial series that I've been doing, like the if statement, the part 2 of that. It's definitely still is on its way. Definitely still have plans on making part 2 of that. And I also want to continue doing the extant script series. Well, I haven't been making videos, so that's the only reason why it's been kind of paused for the moment. But I should be making more videos on that soon. And I also plan on making more videos that are bigger, or at least more akin to a real project, so you're not getting these little snippets of videos about coding and After Effects. You're still going to get those, but every once in a while, probably like once a month or every 2-3 weeks, I might try doing a bigger project, something you can probably use in real life, just to switch it up and be more practical with things that I'm teaching you. And also, I want to go over the new scripting engine in After Effects. For the most part, it's just the new version, or the newest versions of JavaScript. It's not really all that helpful at the moment, because I feel like all of the code that they're getting from JavaScript are meant for bigger and longer projects. But everybody projects is different, so some people might need it, some people might find it a little bit helpful. I want to try to get the code that from the new JavaScript that I think is most important to us as artists. So the things I think is most important from the new language I will be going over, and maybe just going over the new stuff in general, but like I want to get those out the way first. As you can see, the first video I did in a while was the string template literal that I put up yesterday or the day before, whenever this video goes up, talking about a new syntax that's a little bit helpful. I think that people can really use in their day-to-day project, or just in general. And the last thing I want to talk about is me putting up different type of tutorials on this channel. For the most part, this channel is going to remain the same. It's going to still focus on coding and After Effects, but I would also like to do other Adobe products that has to do with coding, and also probably go into some Cinema 4D as far as coding too, so you can get a better understanding on or if you're into that, for people who want to learn more about Cinema 4D and how to code in that. And I also every once in a while probably just do some tutorials on Adobe stuff or Cinema 4D stuff that I know that I don't think that's common knowledge for most people, or things I think could be helpful. I'm not going to put anything down that I think that you can go to any other channel or any beginner's tutorial and find that information about that certain topic. So this channel is not going to be deviating from learning how to code in After Effects, but I do want to dip a dab in some other tutorials for this channel, and that's really about it. I just wanted to address those things. So I just wanted to make sure I talked to the few people that is subscribed to my channel. At the moment, it's 400. It might not be a lot to other channels, but to me, when you put in a lot of hard work and you take your time to do some of these things, it really mean a lot, because you really don't know how successful a channel can be. So for all my subscribers, thank you, and people who've been watching my videos, thank you, and hope that you enjoy these new videos that I'm going to put into the channel. And if you have any suggestions on things that you would like to learn, or things that I should cover in the future, just tell me, and see what I can do about it. Until next time, peace out, world.